Sometimes in the winter, the brakes like to freeze up on these, and you'll see it just one wheel won't move, and it could give you bald spots on the tires and cause blowouts if you don't catch it. Today I'm going to talk about how to get those brakes unfrozen. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to chalk the wheels, and then you're going to push that yellow button in, and that releases the air brakes. The next thing that you're going to do is you're going to get a metal rod, and you're going to go through both tires and place it right on the brake drum. When it's on the brake drum, then you can tap, tap, tap. Just give it a few sharp taps on either side, and that helps it come unlocked and unfrozen. So, quick tip for the winter: stay safe out there.